none of the banks wanted to touch Bitcoin 10 years ago, right? How was the influx if you look back over the last 10 years in terms of growth?
So its growth first year was steady and stable.
Yep.
It was a pretty straight line. We went exponential when the market runs.
Yep.
Anybody in crypto will tell you that you go exponential as far
Yep.
as new business coming and new growth. So we would used to celebrate $1 million in that first year, and actually we're up to 14 billion with a B now of assets under custody. And that's not just dollar for dollar. That's growth too.
Yep.
People that bought Bitcoin at 1,000 still hodling today at 100 and what 106 I think it is today.
Yep. Yep.
So yeah, there's these waves.
Crazy.
There was waves in 21, there was waves in 17, 18, but then there's also the bear markets.
Yeah.
Something that was very surprising to me was that that folks have much more intestinal fortitude for the dips over time. So when Bitcoin went from what we hit 20,000 that first year in 17, and then it dropped down to 6,000, I thought, oh my God, we're done. Everybody's just going to sell their stuff and leave. And they didn't. There's a real strong vindication in the crypto audience space of this is part and parcel to the process. These are I call them adolescent teenage assets. They're growing.
Yep.
They're going to be a little volatile, and people have the appetite and they can handle those things. Which is if say I was holding a stock that dropped 20% and everybody was, the odds are people are just going to cut and run from that. Now that doesn't mean everybody stays. There are panic sellers in every market space,
Sure.
right? But it's been interesting to watch that growth and the existing client base growing. We have 200,000 users now. And the fact that every year you get that opportunity to contribute more to your IRA every year. And you should take advantage of it because you can only do it every year, right? When
Yep.
the deadline is April
Yep.
15th and you don't have to do it on April 15th, but you have your deadline every year. And if you don't do that, you're just leaving basically tax deferred money on the table every year.